We're excited about the co-innovation we're driving with leaders in 5G. All of these leaders are leveraging VMware Telco Cloud. All of them are cloudifying their infrastructure to capture the advantages of an open software-defined approach. In many ways, VMware is the operating system for 5G. We are very energized about the work we're doing with Vodafone. Their results are truly game-changing. 50% reduction in their OpEx and CapEx, 40% faster deployment. They've doubled the number of new services they're delivering into production. VMware Telco Cloud is now powering more than 75 Vodafone sites across Europe, Africa, and Asia.
Helping us on this way which I described, the disaggregation, the virtualization of our networks. This is something which we need, but we do not want to give our keys to the hyperscalers. We do not want to hand it over to the Amazons and the Microsoft. We want to work with them, they are good partners, but having an independent, multi-cloud approach with high network competence was the moment for VMware in the history of our relationship.
Yes, indeed, the market is ready for cloud native, and I must say thanks to you guys, we went beyond our dreams and expectation. We can now onboard pretty much any cloud native 5G function, automate it, do automatic scale up. I mean, it's a dream comes true for us.
The priorities, frankly, going forward continue to be, first of all, on the radio infrastructure. The second part of our investments, of course, is in the 5G core. I would say the third part of our priorities is, of course, continuing the build of our common hybrid cloud in partnership with VMware. And this is important for us because it's really the first step as we move towards a software-enabled network and IT required to expose the network as a platform. So we really talk about enabling these new capabilities. We think about them as currencies that need to be enabled through a flexible and agile software environment. And these network capabilities will be exposed as APIs or microservices that will then be consumed by new applications of the future.
In order to reap all the benefits of 5G, it requires operators like us to transform also the backend of our network. So what this means is that we have to virtualize our cores, we have to build software development capability. And you know about virtualized cores because we are working with you on this.
We embrace this transformation in preparation for our 5G journey. We needed our traditional network to become more scalable, adaptable, flexible, and agile. And in order to do that and to be ready to adopt the decoupling of the software that the 5G technologies will bring in the future, we needed to transform the way how we were operating, the technologies that we were using, and the functions and the vendors and the ecosystem that we were using in our traditional business. We have networks in 2G, 3G, 4G, but in order to get ready to 5G, we need the cloud technology as an underlay network to provide all those future services, not only in our main data centers, but also in the future going towards the edge.
All of these products depend on our network, which today is one of the biggest, most powerful, and most technically advanced networks of its kind ever built. I truly believe that having these two powerful, advanced platforms as cornerstones of our operations have enabled tremendous flexibility and agility in our business, since they enable our engineers and developers to innovate at internet speed and scale with no limitations but their own imaginations.